Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. The date today is July 20th. We are at our local Walmart to see what the shelves look like as well as the oil prices. The last time I was here was maybe a little over a week ago. We looked at Valvoline Restore and Protect and saw that a jug of oil went up by about $6. I put a poll out on my YouTube channel asking folks, hey, how often you want to see these updates? And it seems like the most common answer is once per week. So I'm going to try my best to get as close to that as possible. I know some folks have commented in my last video and they're like, oh, well, you could just check the prices online at walmart.com. But hey, where's the adventure in that? All right, we're going to go ahead and run inside Walmart. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps. Okay. All right, there's a motor oil section, $31.97 for the Valvoline Advanced Protection Max Life. All right, for folks who are curious about the Shell Rotella T6 is $79 for a 2.5 gallon. We got $154 for the 5 gallon 15W40 and then $59 for the T4 15W40 triple protection. I believe this is a 3 gallon. And then you got this T4 reduced maintenance, engine maintenance, 1997 T4, 1 gallon. It's $31.97 across the board up here. And then to the extended performance, $35.97 all across the board. $35.97 for the Valvoline Restore and Protect. Oh, check out this new bottle. $35.97, and then Castrol $25.97 for the Edge. Eurocar $27.48, $33.97 across the board here. $35.97 across the board here. Oh, Funnel $2.54, and then $35.97. $33.97 for the Mobile One Advanced Clean. All right, moving to the third row here, $31.97 across the board for these motor oils before jumping over to $33.97 for the Max Life High Mileage, $31.97 across the board for this Mobile One. There we go. And then moving down to the Hybrid, $33.97, $31.97 for all these items, it looks like, including this. And then $25.97 for Castrol. $25.97 for Castrol, Valvoline, $22.97, $22.97. VR1 is $29.97. Royal Purple $42.88 for 5-quart oil, and then ESP $31.97, and then you got the 12-quart $69.97 for the 5W20 as well as the 5W30, and then high mileage 5W30 $69.97. All right, moving over here, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum $39.97, Castrol $23.97, and then Rollback $23.97 for Edge high mileage. Platinum is $35.97. And then you got the Valvoline Synthetic Blend, $26.88 for 1.5 gallons, $26.88, 6 quarts, and then $35.97 for Pennzoil, $35.97, $29.97 across the board, and then the random Valvoline body oil for $31.97, $29.97 across the board here, and then $32.97, $26.88 for this conventional Valvoline, 1.5 gallons, and then let's see here, your Quaker States. $25.97 across the board with the exception of this one, $29.97, and then $29.97, $29.97, $32.97, and then your Motorcraft Synthetic Blend 5W20 is $28.97, and then $25.97 for Castrol. All right, SuperTech. This looks like conventional, $21.88 across the conventional line, and then $24.88 for high mileage, full synthetic. Full synthetic's $24.88, and then $26.88 for advanced full synthetic. Hey, how's it going? 26. And so yeah, no, the oil prices have stayed the same since we last checked. All right, sorry about that abrupt ending. I was reading out the prices and then suddenly a team member walked by and stared me dead in the eyes, and I'm like, maybe I should go. But hey, let me know in the comments if you guys notice anything interesting, and if you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps. All right, bye now. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.